will make it look little shorter. मोटा आदमी थोड़ा पतला लगेगा, ठीक है? And we will get to the third dimension. Now, the third lighting position, first was head on, second was around 45 degree, and third is absolutely in the same axis and little back. If we are using a softbox, it will wrap around. If it is this side, it will spill to the other side. It should not spill. So that is my little back. So this is called. Can you see this pimple was not visible in broad light? The pimple was not so clearly visible. It is because of the tone it was visible. Now it has thrown a shadow, so it is clearly visible. ये दिख नहीं रहा था, ये भी आ गया कहीं से. So that means this is called split lighting. It splits our face into two equal halves. So this is the extreme correction of width. If the face is very broad, we should go for this light. So it will give us only only half. आप जो size के हैं उसका आधा दिखेंगे, तो naturally slim हो गए. And the face is also extremely corrected, but extremely textural. आपका छोटा से छोटा texture भी दिखेगा. Our lights are very powerful and our lenses are ruthlessly sharp. So skin will look very rough, but it brings texture, finer texture into the dress. So where the dress has a texture, white gown में white work है, आप flat light लगाएंगे, short या ब्रॉड लाइटिंग में दिखेगा ही नहीं वो वाइट फ्लावर्स. ये पर्टिकुलरली ब्राइड्स, क्रिश्चियन ब्राइड्स इन वाइट गाउन दे हैव वाइट फ्लावर्स. यू हैव टू यूज दिस लाइटिंग टू गेट डिटेल्स इन द वर्क, एंड दे स्पेंड lakhs of rupees in that gown. If that work is not visible, it is totally wasted for them. So never use broad lighting. So this is extremely textural. Now regarding the face, what happens? It totally splits. It is also called a correctional lighting. आपका एक आँख नहीं है, या इधर एक कट मार्क है, lot of pimples है, ये कान नहीं है. You want to do that correction. You put it इधर क्या है पता ही नहीं चलेगा. यहाँ से जो आपको छोटा सा फ्लैश फायर कीजिए, ये आँख में आपको कैच लाइट आ जाएगा और आँख दिख जाएगा. Otherwise, it is extremely correctional, either physically or facially, but it adds lot of texture. Wherever we want texture, old face, wrinkles and all, this is extremely useful. Where we do not want texture, like on children, on ladies, don't use that where we don't want texture. We want ladies' skin to look softer, not harsher. So don't use this unless you need correction. So this is the third lighting position, which is called split lighting, because it splits our subject exactly into half. So it reduces the size but adds texture. Now it should never be used on thin face and thin figure, otherwise it will make them again half and they will look extremely thin. Beyond this, if we go, now we are adding suspense. Less and less we light our subject, we add suspense. This is kicker light position. पिक्चर में विलेन घुसता है, अपने को खाली उसका आउटलाइन दिखता है, पीछे लाइट है, सिलुएट में देखते हैं, चेहरा दिखता नहीं. वी हैव क्रिएटेड ए सस्पेंस. कौन है ये? तो मर्डर कौन किया? जो सस्पेंस क्रिएट होता है, द लेस लाइट वी यूज ऑन द फेस, मोर सस्पेंस वी गेट ऑन द फेस. इफ यू हैव टू क्रिएट सस्पेंस, द लाइट हैज टू गो beyond split lighting position to create suspense. Like from eye level, when the light goes down, it creates horror. Split light से पीछे जैसे जाएगा, you will create suspense in the subject. So this is called means kicker light position. This is totally called backlight position. Either we put the light on the subject or on the background. Because we see only the outline, with extreme suspense because we don't see the face. Okay. Now, we were talking about the lateral movement of our light. What about the vertical movement? In the broad light position, when we increase the height of our light, this is called butterfly light position. It has got many names. Some people call it glamour light, some people call it Hollywood light, some people call it butterfly light. Why butterfly light is the nose throws a shadow. If the shadow should touch the upper lip, so it looks like butterfly to them. So somebody has given this name as butterfly light. But this is the most glamorous light if the face is oval. The face is wide, this gives a good shape. It reduces the width of the face. And oval face is the most glamorous light. You will see the effect of the vertical movement of light. You see her face now. When the light position goes up, our face gets chiseled from the side. Now you see the width of our upper face, and when I bring it down, you see how her face will start looking wider. When you see the face is becoming wider, still wider, and when it goes up, it becomes chiseled from the side and it looks narrower. So that means people who have broad jawline, we should use this light. It gives a beautiful Hollywood effect and most glamorous light. What should be the position? Because some people have sunken eyes, some people have protruded eyes. We should adjust the height in such a way that we are able to see the catch light in 12 o'clock position. Yeah, now we have got the catch light. If the catch light is not visible, again we have to add it, or the shadow is too harsh. So it should be in a position where the catch light is at almost 12 o'clock position, or between 11 and 12. Then the lighting is correct. Catch light should be visible. This is called butterfly light. Okay. Now this is the glamorous light for oval face or any modeling. Wherever we want to add glamour, we should use this light. Now there is one more light in short position, and when we put it in butterfly light position, this light is called Rembrandt light. There was a Dutch painter called Rembrandt. All his paintings of subjects had this kind of lighting. Why he had, because he was not using any artificial light, why he was getting this kind of lighting is he had, those days the ceilings were 15 feet, 16 feet, were not like 9 feet, 8 feet height. They used to be 16 feet minimum height, 15 to 16 feet. And light used to come because in winter season, because they are cold countries, they had trapdoors, not big windows. So those trapdoors are just below the ceiling. So light used to come from there. So when light was coming from trapdoors, from top side, they used to get a light like this, while one side of the face is totally lit, and the light used to produce a triangle in the opposite side cheek. That means the shadow of nose will touch the other side of the lip up. So this, and forming a clear triangle on one side of the face. So anyway, if nose is small, you try it on a Chinese, you will never get the triangle. Depending upon the nose shape, you will get that shadow. So that triangle may not come on Chinese or Mongoloid faces, but this is the lighting which is called Rembrandt. So why Rembrandt? Because name of the painter who used to use this lighting was Rembrandt, that is why. So people have slowly, because he was a painter.
Spelling of the name?
Rembrandt, R-A-M-B-R-E-D-N-T.
बाकी सबको पता है.
Google it and you will find the right
आप
name.
उसको हॉलीवुड लाइट लिख लीजिए, ग्लैमर लाइट लिख लीजिए.
But is it not more lateral?
Sorry, that was
Rembrandt is not more lateral, no shadow on the cheek?
no, absolutely.
This is Rembrandt.
It must form a triangle in the opposite side cheek. Must. Then only it is Rembrandt.
This is, where is the triangle?
This is a triangle. This nose shadow is touching this side of the lip, and it is creating a triangle in the opposite side cheek. One side is fully lit. So there the lighting position is in butterfly light position, and height is butterfly light, and position is in short lighting position. This because it is associated with the name Rembrandt, this is called painting light. Most of the salon portraits, if this lighting is used, they associate it with painting, and they feel this is looking like a painting because of that name of Rembrandt associated with. And salon workers generally they use this light on their subjects and portraits to make it look like painting. That is the why this is called a painterly light or painting light or Rembrandt's light. So this is the 5 position or 6 position of light: broad light, short light or narrow light, split light, then kicker light which is a suspense light, then we had butterfly light, and we have now Rembrandt light. So not necessarily that the light has to be at 45 degree, depending upon the shape of the face, shape of the size of the nose. We have to, everybody's face will not be of the same size and shape. So the position also will not be in the same 45 degree this thing. Means we have to keep watching, and somebody will be keep changing the, otherwise आप change कीजिए, फिर आके देखिए, फिर change कीजिए, फिर देखिए. Ask somebody to move it, your assistant, and you keep watching. The moment you get the effect, ask him to stop. Ask him to move it up and down, and the moment you get your effect, ask him to stop and shoot in that picture. So now